Welcome to your perfect home site in Benton. This cozy 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has everything you need, including a 2-car detached garage and an insulated workshop. The interior features brand new LVP flooring, and the whole place is super clean and ready for you to move in. It even comes partially furnished, making your move a breeze. Sitting on almost an acre of land, this property offers tons of possibilities. The covered front porch is ideal for your morning coffee or a family gathering. It's equestrian zoned, so perfect for horse lovers. The yard is fenced and has sprinklers to keep your lawn lush. There's plenty of room for your RV with dedicated parking, plus 2 covered carports for your vehicles. A portion of the land is vacant, giving you even more space to work with. Enjoy the stunning views and ample room to grow your own vegetable garden and fruit trees. The roof is just 2 years old, so you won't have to worry about that for a long time. Plus, you're close to Benton Hot Springs, the Benton School, a cafe and small market. Approximately 35 miles to Bishop. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.